How to make keto lemon bars. A delicious low-carb and grain-free keto lemon bar with a perfectly sweet tart lemon layer on top. A quick and easy recipe that only uses a handful of ingredients. The crust is made from almond meal, and the filling uses just 4 ingredients: almond meal, sweetener, lemon and eggs. It couldn't get any simpler than that. Dust with powdered xylitol or erythritol, fresh lemon zest, or dollop coconut whipped cream over the top for a touch of decadence. Start to finish, 40 minutes. Ingredients: 1.5 cups blanched almond meal, 1/2 cup softened butter or ghee, pinch of salt, 1 to 2 tablespoons xylitol or erythritol, 1 cup blanched almond meal, 1/4 to 1/3 cup xylitol or erythritol, 1 cup lemon juice, zest of 3 to 4 lemons, 4 eggs. Note on ingredients: except for coconut, all nuts are considered suspect on the bulletproof diet because of their high levels of omega-6 fats that can oxidize and contribute to inflammation. Nuts are also susceptible to mold and contain lectins, nutrient-sapping compounds that can be tough on your gut. Use nuts in moderation, or remove them from your diet and reintroduce in small amounts to test your sensitivity. Instructions: preheat oven to 350 F. Combine the first 4 ingredients together to make the base. Oil your hands with coconut oil and gently press the mixture evenly into a 9x9 parchment paper-lined baking dish. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until it's a light golden brown color. When it's cooked, remove from the oven and allow to completely cool down. In a large bowl, mix the remaining ingredients together for the filling until lump-free and fully incorporated. Pour the filling onto the pre-baked, cooled crust and bake for 25 minutes. Remove from the oven and cool down. Cut the slice into 20 squares and enjoy. Nutritional information: 1 square, calories, 86 fat, 7.1 grams saturated fat, 0.9 grams cholesterol, 33 milligrams salt, 12 milligrams carbs, 3.1 grams fiber, 1.5 grams sugar, 0.6 grams protein, 3.6 grams potassium, 111 milligrams vitamin D, 3 mcg calcium, 37 milligrams iron, 1 milligram